Assalamualaikum viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you how to delete Google Gmail account permanently. So keep watching and follow my steps. Open your any web browser like Google Chrome. First log into your Gmail account, the account you want to delete. Click on your profile icon. Then click on manage your Google account. Then click on data and personalization. Click on delete a service or your account. Then click on delete your account. Type your password to confirm delete. Then click next. Now you tick mark these two boxes. Then click on delete account. Your Google account and all its data have been deleted successfully. I hope this video will help you. Thanks for watching and please like and subscribe to my channel.